Okay, so I started building an app with AI and I wanted to make this video to share some of the things I learned so far in case you wanted to build one on your own. First thing, it's easier than I thought. I've been using Lovable for mine, but there's a bunch of other tools like Claude, Bolt, Google Firebase Studio. Those are like the mainstream ones. And for like non-technical people, if you don't want to write any code. There's some other ones for coders that I won't mention, but if you have any experience with any one of them, leave a comment, tell us what the pros and cons are. Second thing, start simple. Start with a simple idea of a useful app. Generally, a good thing to do is build something that you would find useful and then find people who have the same problem that will end up using it. That's the approach I took with the app I'm building. And think of it as what's the user input, or like what information does the user have, and what's the outcome that they want. And that's the framework you should adopt when you build any app to make it useful and yeah. And last thing, I ran into some bugs as I was building it. And my advice is try debugging it within the tool, like explain what the error messages you're getting are. Instead of Googling, I went to Google some error messages, and I didn't end up finding any solutions. But I ended up solving them within like the Lovable chat at the bottom. So if you run into any bugs, just try that. I'm gonna keep building this app. I've been working on it for the past 2 weeks, and I have about 250 users, which is nice. But I'm gonna keep adding features and collecting feedback to see where I can take this. So if you wanna follow along, I'm gonna keep posting about this. And if you're building an app, let me know what you're building. I'd love to check it out.